Hello, I'm Luther Tan, ASEAN chainflex product manager. Today we'll speak on cables in drive technology, which Igus call it drive tech. This comprises of cable design for motor cable, shield and without shield, servo cables, encoder cables, and hybrid cables. Firstly, for motor cables, its primary function is to transport electricity supply for the motor, typically 4-core or 3-phase system, normally at 600, 1000 volt. Next, servo cable is similar to motor cables, having additional cores for brakes, control, and temperature sensing. Encoder cables, some call it feedback cables, is to transmit frequency output of measuring sensing device through the speed of motor during operation. Last of all is hybrid cables. Some call it one cable technology. It's an innovative cable design which combine servo cables and encoder cables all into one. Hence, saving space, easy cable management, and for installation as well. Having extreme heavy-duty applications in industry, there's a need for reliable cables. For example, cold storage environment, up to minus 40 degrees, crane operations that on long travels of 400 meters, pick and place application in semiconductor industries having rapid high cycle movement and small bending radius. Here, I'll show you 3 aspects that we have designed into our cables. Number 1, the core installations for our motor cable is XLPE material. This brings us an opportunity for high working load due to high current that can travel through it. For the servo cables, it's similar. We still have the XLPE installations as well. Additional to its design is inner core to handle long travel length or small bending radius. The shield of our servo cables is well designed for long service life in dynamic application. Encoder cable here shows a TP outer jacket. The TP outer jacket is also available for various cables mentioned earlier. Normally, drive cables often come in PUR outer jacket, and PUR often encounter problem in heavy-duty applications when temperature gets too hot or you need a cable for low wear rate. Hence, TP outer jacket is a fantastic solution for durability against PUR. If you're looking for cable solutions for your applications, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.